Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today this is the part 2 of the PSC build log. So in this video I will be installing the stock cooler and eventually getting an old graphics card and posting the system for the first time. So it should be an interesting video, and yeah, now enjoy the video. Well, here's the stock cooler. It's the stout one, so it's like really bad actually. But you know, for a boot test or post test, it will be fine. You know, since I won't be using the CPU like this. I just want to know if it boots, you know, or do I need to update the BIOS or something. So I'm putting this on, but I decided I'm not going to put it in the case because I need to take it out anyway, since I will be water cooling the CPU and GPU. And to install the water block, I think I need to, you know, take it out. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that in this video. I might put the SSD and in the case. Nah, I'm actually not gonna do any of that. So I'm just going to install the this cooler. So I have never installed them. So this is my tripod, very elegant solution. It's well, my tripod, I ordered one a bit late. It's on train from China, somewhere close here, but what hasn't arrived yet. So what can I do? Anyway, this is pretty good actually. So this has thermal paste already applied. I touched it accidentally once before when I poured it. So anyways, take this screwdriver and I'm actually not really sure how to install it, but I'm guessing you take this off and you screw it inside. I'm pretty sure. Well, if it's not like that, then I will look up a tutorial. So, ouch. These are pretty tight actually. Anyway. Okay. Can you please come up? Thank you. So actually, you know, my new radiator is coming. You know, if you watch the unboxing or will watch it of the water cooling part, you know I ordered a thick radiator to the top. Well, this motherboard has such beefy VRMs that it doesn't fit. So I ordered a new one, a slim one. Should arrive today or tomorrow. So then I can install that in the case. I already have installed the front radiator and the pump. Well, it's looking pretty good, this build so far. So everything is off now, and well, we will soon find out if my theory about mounting this thing was correct or not. So I think it's aligned. I will check. Yeah, it's aligned. And now in theory you should just screw it down in, you know, cross pattern. A little bit of this, ouch. Then a little bit of this side. I will take my hand away. Then, you know, this. Then this. Guys, I think I made a mistake. I think I need to keep these on, but I will have a look quickly. So, okay, I just checked I'm doing everything correct. I just need to apply some pressure, although it doesn't want to go in for some reason. Well, I'm gonna let this one a little bit. Actually, I will go right back. Well, it made weird noises, but I think it's tight now. I think it makes weird noises because, well, it's well, it might not make the perfect content, you know, but it's good enough, to be honest. It doesn't need to run long for this thing. So CPU, okay, I will show you anyway, if you don't know. Focus here. So let's take this cable, and here's a header called CPU, well, 1 or something, CPU fan or whatever. Actually, yeah. So just plug it in like this and hide the cable. Well, you have successfully, in theory, installed the CPU cooler. So I don't know if, you know, maybe I bit fucked up the installation, but doesn't matter because it just has to post with it. So here's the build so far. It looks pretty nice, to be honest, even with the stock cooler. So here's the motherboard shroud, or the AI IO shroud, you know. Looks nice. I love Asus for that. So yeah, I don't think I will put it in this case yet, and I won't be installing hard drives yet because I need to do a lot of things in there. But for now, this should be all. I can't really test it because I'm pretty sure it wouldn't give me any postcode, or you know, it would give me code on the board, but on screen because it's doesn't have a graphics card. Okay, so I got myself a graphics card. Well, it's some passive cool 3D device from an old computer my father gave me. Oh, I don't know what the hell it is, but it has a display output. You know, it has VGA, DVI, and HDMI. So I guess we will try it at least. I'm guessing with the 1080p monitor because I don't believe in it this much. Anyway, this means we will be putting my computer together for the first time. I don't know when I'm getting the RTX 3080, but when I do, well, I will take it apart again. But at the moment, I kinda need a computer, so well, I can't game on it, but it will have a display output, which is nice, I guess. I will have a drink. Okay, so this means we are putting this thing kind of together. Well, I'm not. Should I? I will just have it. So should I test boot it outside the box or not? I mean, it wouldn't hurt. So let's try it properly. because then I don't have to take it out, so I will get the power supply. You really can't see shit, but well, it's a power supply, and we are going to put some cables in it. So that thing is so low power that it doesn't even need a PCI Express cable, so yeah. I guess you can think how powerful it is by that. It's not powerful. So cable, PCI Express. Now this is that 24-pin ATX. CPU. So technically this is all it needs to put, so I will get some power cable. And guys, well, it puts the RGB on. Oh wait, actually, not yet. We need to put this magnificent card in. I don't know. Do I even want to put it in there? I have to shift it a bit. Like this. Let's put it in the secondary slot. It doesn't deserve the first one. Also, I'm kind of scared to put it in. Because it doesn't go in that well. Okay, so let's hook the monitor up. And let's put the keyboard on. So, if I make it to the BIOS, I am very happy. So, moment of truth. Now I need to just short these pins, I think. Or not. Alright, one once. Hoo-hoo. So, if I get the display output, I will be happy. That looks so fucking good. But I don't know. Postcode 15. Oh, I think it reboots. So boot LED does some. It says VGA B4. Well, let me get that. I mean, this shit might be fucked. Who knows? Where's my? Alright, my phone is here. So I will be right back. Holy crap! It posted. Holy shit! BIOS is updating. Do not shut down the pro. Well, this shit shut down. Oh, I think it has to do that. I just had a heart attack, guys. Because, well, if this motherboard breaks itself, then I'm gonna, well, fucking piss myself. But I think that was... Oh my god. Was the elite, I think it... This VGA card is not supported. Well, I'ma show you. This VGA card UF fighter. Well, press F1 to run the setup. Let's see what happens. Holy shit, guys! It technically works. Yeah, it's kind of shit because I have no idea why. Well, technically it says it's not supported. So I'm gonna figure that out. Or, you know, maybe it just needs a driver. What the fuck knows what this guy thing wants. So let's see. I will be back.
Lessons that I learned weren't always thorough, sugar-coated like a churl. Now I'm really out here on my own. Now my homies acting like I owe 'em, done extending out my arm. Made a lot of money from my poems. Been around it, now they say I'm on. I can finally say I'm up now, I'm up now.